Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Grayson. Today I am not washing out in the field. I am actually working on building a pantry. So that's our door that goes into our kitchen from our garage. I just cleared out all the stuff and took off a shelf off the wall. But I'm going to be building a 6 by 5.5 foot pantry outside of our kitchen door. So we'll be able to open the door and have a pantry right here. So that's my project for today. I'm going to try to get everything all framed, adding a wall right here, so I'll have to take all the tile off the wall there, and then just putting all the walls up, and then adding the platform for the subfloor to match the floor right there. Alright, panels all off the wall. Alright, here's my progress so far today. I put the base plate on there for the floor, nailed that into the concrete, and then I'm getting the walls framed up right now. So just trying to get all of this straight, and then I'm going to put the second wall up as well. So I just cut the corner off of that, so now when I build this next wall, I can overlap those two boards, just build a stronger corner that way. I didn't think about that before I put everything up there, so I had to cut it afterward. Now I'm going to place the studs in here on 16-inch centers. Let's see, so I'm going to place the rest of these studs up here, and then next I will build this wall here. So I've never really done anything like this before, so I'm kind of learning as I go, but it's not been too difficult so far. So we'll be able to open that door now and have a pantry. Alright, starting to get everything into place now. I built a box around the bottom for my floor so that it matches the same height as the floor coming out of the kitchen. And then I just put the first piece of subfloor in here. And then I just have this last piece of subfloor to do. And then I also got some drywall already. And I'm going to drywall the inside of this hopefully tonight. and then go from there. We also bought some slate tile. We bought some slate tile and bought some slate backsplash as well. So we're gonna put a countertop in right here, and then right here, and then the rest will just be shelves. All right, I'm wrapping up day one right now. Here is the floor. I just set it in place. Obviously it's not cut or anything, but wanted to see what it would look like in here. So it doesn't look too bad. I was able to get the other subfloor in, the tile, just so we can see what it looks like. Now the next step is going to be drywalling these two walls and then getting the cabinet put into place here with the countertop on it. I'm all done for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm out here in Tualatin today, cleaning some windows. So we have this beautiful pool over there. Just doing these ones on this new pool house that was built. Alright, I'm just getting back to my house tonight. Today is Thursday. Yesterday I worked on remodeling or adding a pantry onto our house, and then today I just did some estimates and just wrapped up a window cleaning job, fixed some Christmas light bulbs that were burned out. But this year we've been really big on custom Christmas lights. Here is my house that we did. So I did those trees, and then we did colored lights on our house. But I think tomorrow we're just hanging out with family, and then the day after that is Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. But back to the house now. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.